let's make some pineapple school supplies. Hey everyone, I'm just going to start talking because I just want to thank you so much for coming to watch this video. Obviously you can see what I'm doing. I am going to make a pineapple inspired notebook along with many other school supplies. My favorite fruit is pineapple, and I noticed on the internet that there's actually not that many pineapple school supplies. There's lots of watermelon and all that fun stuff, so I thought I would, support the pineapple a little bit more, and I can't help but think about summer as well, so I thought this would be the perfect thing to do. I think I already said this, but just thank you for coming to watch this video. I am really trying to, I want to have a better relationship with my subscribers, so I am responding to all the comments. Make sure that you guys comment and I will definitely respond. Feel free to provide me with feedback or ideas for videos. I am always open to trying new things, so definitely looking for some inspiration if you guys have some awesome ideas out there. And I just want to get to know you guys, so how was your Easter? How was your day? If you want to tell me something interesting about yourself, I am always listening, and I will, like I said, I will reply. I am always with my phone and ready to communicate. So I am just putting the top of the pineapple on, and this is so easy, you guys. I'm using this adhesive foam that I get from Michael's. It's so versatile for a lot of different crafts, and this was from a previous video from a long time ago. And so I'm just using what I have, and even the notebook I'm reusing, and it was super easy. I just put that purple adhesive foam over top of the previous page that I had, and it's, you can just keep on reusing and decorating and just having so much fun with your school supplies. I'm going to make this pineapple look super cool with some glittery shades and a super cute mouth, and I think it's going to look really good. Let me know what you guys think. Just for fun, I'm going to make this super sparkly by using some of my Crayola glitter. I don't even know what it's called, but it's just this stuff, this glaze stuff that you can put pretty much on anything. And sometimes, depending on what I put it on, it kind of just looks like just bad, just like these little dots everywhere. But I think this is going to look good with the pineapple texture. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I will show you a better view once I'm done this so you can see how sparkly it is. It's kind of like nail polish pretty much for paper or material or whatever. So it does kind of help make it sparkly, but like I said, sometimes I sort of catch my eye looking at something with it on and it just doesn't look very good. So I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I am going to put it on the green part as well, and then I will be done. And that is the finished product. So what do you guys think? Do you like the glitter? Do you not like the glitter? I think overall I like it, and most things do look better in person over video, so I think I'm pretty happy with it. So it's a pretty cool pineapple notebook. I would definitely use this. Moving on to the classic eraser school supply. Once you buy a pack of eraser clay, you end up having a lot of it. So of course I'm going to make a pineapple with the stuff that I already have. This is super easy, yellow and green. Add a little texture, cute little face, bake it in the oven, and you have a super cute eraser. The good thing about these is that you can also stick them on the ends of pencils, which of course is super handy. Do you guys actually ever use homemade erasers? If you do, what do you think of the quality of the eraser? I find sometimes I make them, they're good, and sometimes they don't work as well, and maybe that depends on how well I put them or how long I put them in the oven for. I'm not really sure if that is a big factor in it or not. But yeah, curious to know what you guys think about homemade erasers, and if you guys have ever bought that stuff or used it, or, just getting kind of a feel for what you guys think about this stuff. Alright, I think this is starting to look like a pineapple. I'm not really sure if you want to use those green things as erasers, but you never know. But yeah, let's add a cute little face before we put this in the oven, and that is it after we do that. And once you're done, put it in the oven according to the instructions, and you have yourself a cute little teeny tiny or big, depending on how big you want to make yours, life size, I don't know, how big do you want your eraser? So, and that's it, and you have yourself an eraser. We are going to move on to the pencil. This is so easy. You're probably going to be like, why is she even making that? But I figured, why not? So if you have a pencil laying around and you want to just make it a little bit more spring and summery, turn it into a pineapple. But is there anyone out there that actually doesn't like pineapple? This video obviously probably wouldn't be for you, but you know, still, I'm just still trying to learn about all my subscribers, and I would love to know, you know, as well, if you don't like this fruit. So again, just to spice this up a little bit, I'm adding this glitter stuff. This is totally optional. The most important thing is that your pencil looks like a pineapple. You don't even have to use the paint. As you will see, I am about to use some yellow pipe cleaner along with my green pipe cleaner to make the top of the pineapple. So, you know, just have lots of fun with it. This is just something to do around the house. You have a pencil that you want to make a little bit more exciting to use, to look at, and this is what I thought of. Well, what do you guys think so far? Of course, we're going to add some googly eyes to make this just a little bit more cute, but do you guys think this is the easiest, most basic DIY ever? And how do you guys think it turned out? Pretty good? Yeah, so cute. Moving on to one of my favorite school supply crafts is making your own paperclip shapes out of glue gun. Not only are glue guns awesome, but they're so easy to make whatever you want. So I am desperately trying to make a pineapple shape here, and it's taking a lot longer than I thought it would, but we'll get there. You'll see what I mean. And the fun part is that you can use marker, but I use nail polish, and I bought a whole rainbow of nail polish so I can do a lot of different creative ideas with these paper clips and, you know, whatever shapes you would like to make. So in previous videos, I had a breakfast school supply theme video. If you guys haven't watched that yet, I made some bacon and some coffee and eggs out of glue gun, and I made them into paper clips. So this is by far one of my favorite ones. You guys definitely should try it. If you have, let me know what you guys have made with it. So as you can see, I'm using this brown to add more of a pineapple texture look. I'm not sure I am loving it, but we'll just see how it turns out. I'm going to add some cute little lips and some googly eyes, and we're going to go from there. So I have no clue where my video clip went of me actually gluing it to a paper clip, but of course wait until everything's dry, and then it's as easy as just putting a little bit of glue on the back of your shape and adding the paper clip, and there you go. You have your own unique, super fun, obviously this can be whatever fruit you want, paper clip, and I just think that looks so cute. So there you have it. Those are my 4 pineapple-inspired school supplies to help you, get through the rest of that school year. These are super bright and fun, and it just makes me think of spring and summer. And my favorite fruit is pineapple, so I, of course, love this. Be sure to comment on what your favorite fruit is. If you guys have any suggestions for videos in general, they don't have to be school supplies, let me know. I am open to ideas and, trying anything new. And I hope you guys all had a wonderful day, or if you're watching this in the morning, I really hope you guys have a good day. Be sure to leave a comment about anything, really. I will definitely respond. Thanks, everyone. And of course, make sure that you guys remember to like this video. that would be obviously giving it a thumbs up. If you can share it, that would be amazing too. And of course, please become a subscriber of Happy Toy Time. We would be very, very, very thankful for your subscription. Thanks so much, everyone.